Hey everyone. So I bought this Stream Deck for trying to figure it out that let's say if I have three different browsers in my computer and I want to open up a specific link into a specific browser, how can I make that happen? So I was doing some research my own, and what I found is that there is a way by which we can do it. So if you have a Microsoft Edge installed on your computer, so what happens that and if you look at your registry entry and if you go to high key classes root, within that you will find a Microsoft Edge entry. So if for you look at this Microsoft Edge entry, so whenever you install Microsoft Edge, I think it is getting created automatically. So within this registry entry, we have a Microsoft hyphen Edge, and then within that we have a default key as well as URL protocol. URL protocol is kind of empty. There is no value to it. There is a shell, there is nothing here. There is a open, nothing here. There is a command here. Within command, if you see, the default has a string value, which is your Microsoft Edge exe path, and then %1 is nothing but a argument which you are trying to pass. So this is what the default setting they have when you install a Microsoft Edge, I believe. Now with this one, what you can do, let's say if you are doing some sort of run command say I have this run command, and if I simply type in Microsoft hyphen Edge and colon, it will open up a Edge browser for me, right? Now if we want to do the similar thing for the Mozilla Firefox as well as Google Chrome, we can very well do it. So what I did is I went ahead and I created a similar entry for a Mozilla as well as for Google Chrome also. But what I found is that Mozilla and Chrome, they both work differently in terms of accepting the argument. First argument, I would say, I think it requires some sort of pre-processing. It cannot accept a simple argument the way we are giving for a Microsoft Edge. So what I've done to resolve that particular problem, I created some sort of script. You can create a shell script. You can create bat file also. So I created a bat file where I give a bunch of commands, and then with that I'm trying to open up Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. So if I show you the script for a Firefox where I'm accepting argument and then opening up the exe with the URL, right? A similar thing for a Google Chrome, exact same thing, and doing the URL stuff, right? Now this file, wherever I save this file, I am giving this file path into registry entry. So if I go back and if I show you Mozilla Firefox, I have a Firefox, exact same entry how I have in a Microsoft Edge. I have a URL protocol which is empty, shell, open, then command. Within a command, I have a default entry which says that, hey, my bat file path as well as my argument. So if we do this sort of settings, and then we can give all these URL into a Stream Deck software. So if I go back and show you how it works. So if I show you this web, within that, if you see, I have a few things configured: Edge, Chrome, and Firefox. So let's say if I want to open up my one particular account of a YouTube in Edge, second one in a Chrome, and third one in a Firefox, we can very well do it. So if I show you what kind of URL I have configured for Firefox. So as I mentioned that we have a registry entry created. So now I have for a Firefox, and then whatever argument I want to pass, right? And same thing for a Chrome. If I go back, Google Chrome, and whatever URL I want to pass, and same thing is for a Microsoft Edge. As I mentioned, Microsoft Edge somehow works without any pre-processing required. But for Chrome and Firefox, we have to give this sort of bat file. So if I show you how it works, so if I click on this Firefox, it will open up a Firefox. If I click on the Chrome, it will open up a Chrome browser. If I show you the Edge, it will open up the Edge browser. So this is how we can solve the use case where we want to open up a specific link into a specific browser. Thank you, everyone.